Hi guys, on this video I want to show you how to remove this door handle from an Opel Grandland X. Okay, let's start. Okay, at first we have to remove this cover here, and then we can see here inside a screw which is removable with this Allen key. It's K10. So at first we screw it out till it's not going longer. So, and as you see, it's still not removable. So it means I must push this screw this way with the complete mechanism. So like this, you can hear it. So, and now you can pull it slowly and careful out. Still you cannot remove it. It means you have, I want to show you, we have pushed this mechanism this way, yeah? So we must pull it a little bit back. You see this here? So a little bit, just a little bit. You see? You can pull it, but don't remove it. Okay, just wait a minute. Pull it and push the mechanism again forward. So you see it's not going completely forward, it's half open, so you can remove it so easy. So if I want to mount it back, it's the same steps backward. No, this is okay, then this part. So, and now just screw it back in. You see? I hope it was a helpful video and hope to see you in my next video. Till then, bye.